Hey, once again, this is Zach. Thank you for watching this video. If you are on this channel, it's because you want to know something. You want to find out how to do something. And this is your boy, Zach. I'm going to show you how to do it. I don't want anybody to come and take money from you. I want to show you how to do it. So you can do it yourself. Okay? It's going to show you how to make Rj45 jack. And again, this can cost you money. You can use this at home. Normally when you have a Rj45 plug like that on the wall, in your house, in your office, wherever, if you're a network technician, engineer, or maybe a home user, chances are that sometimes you might be called upon to do Rj45 plug to make sure you have a connectivity to the printer, connectivity to the PC, for the connectivity to the IP phone, whatever case it might be. I'm just going to show you how to do it. Let's get into it. Okay, so you just cut your cable. Always don't cut it hard. And the tool you need to do this is just snips and your punch down and your Rj45 jack. That's all you need. That's all, guys. And this will cost you less, about $5 from Home Depot. All those three things. That's all you need. So you cut the cable and you cut off the insulation they use to prevent a crosstalk. Cut it off, and you take your Rj45 jack. The Rj45 jack has color code on it. We are doing 568B. Okay, that means we are only following the B color code. Okay, so if you look on the B color code on this side, I don't know if you guys can see, but we have the orange part and the blue part, orange part and green. That is the only thing we need to worry about it. When you flip it to the other side, we are only doing the top part, which is the blue and the brown. So let's get into that real quick. So since we're gonna work on, it doesn't really matter, let's work on the green and orange side first. So all you have to do is just you cut the cable, you separate the cable like that, and put the end into, you put the cable into the Rj45 jack. So you can see all the 4 cables are lying inside the Rj45 jack. Okay, put your thumb on it. That way we don't lose the cable, prevent you from going back and forth. So we're doing Rj45. We're doing the orange part first, which is the B pad. So we're going to get our orange cable first in. So all you have to do is just untwist the cable to get it a little loose. And guess what? We want orange white. So if you can see, I have orange white snapped in. The next one is going to be green. I'm going to take my green. That's my green too right there. Untwist, green, and then make sure you're following the color code. Okay, you take the green, you push it down, green, and green white on green white. So you see I'm pushing down green and green white. So that side is done. Let's go to the other side, which is right here, blue and brown. You always remember, you're always doing the B side. Okay, the B side is what we are doing. So let's get our brown, untwist it, and it goes white, brown. Just push it down The next one is blue. That is also blue, white, blue, blue. So you can twist it all the way out. That way you're able to take each one out. Then blue, you snap it in. Then the blue. Okay, so if you can see, the blue is on, the blue, blue, white, brown, and brown, white. On the other side, the same. Oh, sorry. The other side, it came off, so we have to always put our hands on. So always make sure you put your thumb on it, that way you don't lose contact. So we have the green snapped in, green, white, orange, and orange, white. And the time to take your punch down, this, it has two sides, okay? Always the longer side goes on the outside the jack. So this is what I mean outside. You want to make sure the longer part goes on the outside. That way it's able to cut the cable on the side off. Okay, I'm going to set it down on something and then cut it. So orange is cut. I'll do it on each of them. Okay. I'll do on each of them to cut all the remains on the part that I don't need. Just cut it off. I'm just trying to set it on something so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, cut it off. That's it, it's done. So this is how it looks, nice and clean. Okay, and sometimes they have a cover. You can use the cover to cover this part off. Okay, you can just cover it up, but it looked like I didn't get the right cover. I have to search my tools. I don't want to do that. But once you have this, just plug. This is the wall. So if the wall is right here, you can unscrew everything from the wall and then do it. Okay, so once that is snapped in, all you have to do is just get your patch cable from your computer and plug it in here. Okay, and this side goes to your computer or your laptop. Okay, so this is how we do it. Easy. It took us about 8 minutes, but this is just to show how to do it, but you can just do it in less than 2 minutes. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. If the video is helpful, hit the notification bell and you'll see my video next time. Bye 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 bye.